Totalmobile solution was something that we were looking at. It was really probably dictated by our needs in terms of our clients. We had entered into a new contract in 2019 with Northern Ireland Water, and one of the requirements of the contract was that we had a work management system that could integrate with their own system.
The day-to-day interactions that we have with our client have really improved, I suppose, with the introduction of Totalmobile. Rather than waiting on information coming back that may take a day or two or longer to get, compile and send to the client, we're now sitting, looking at the same information live as it happens.
We use it for all our work, so there's not a piece of work that we carry out here in McAllister that doesn't go through Totalmobile. We create jobs on the system manually here, we carry out field work, we take photographs, we make comments, we make recommendations, and all of that is available then to allow us to report back to our clients.
Our field teams each have the app on their mobile device. Information is fed through from the call centre directly live onto their system. It limits the amount of paperwork, so it's been good for the environment but also good for the speed of information flow.
In terms of our office teams using the system, again we have real-time visibility of all our work. We have a multitude of clients that are working with us, all with different demands. Totalmobile allows us to keep an eye on what our work in progress is, make decisions about where our crews need to be and when, and communicate accordingly with our teams.
A lot of the old apps wouldn't have as much information as what we have now, and we're able to point out exactly what the issues are on numerous jobs that we go to.
Totalmobile Jobs has helped me in my day-to-day work by making it a lot quicker and easier to bill Irish Water for our jobs completed. Instead of it being a manual process, it's now with the click of a button and has freed me up to work in other areas.
We work very closely with Totalmobile and we've got a great relationship with the team, and we're constantly looking at ways in which we can evolve and we can move the system on to the next level.
For us, it's been a good solution. The team are great to work with, and it's allowed us to strengthen what we do and improve what we do for ourselves and our clients.